Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to review my today I'm going to review my month of January. Wait a second. All right, let's go. So I ended the month with $60 in $60 loss in trading revenue, but with commission and fees, I'm down pretty much 1200 with the borrowing commission fees. So yeah, pretty big red month. I mean, yeah, I did pay a lot in commission. Just the 26th, I had a 20 $24 loss, but with commissions, it's actually $210 loss. 213. Yeah, pretty big. All right. So pretty much minus 1200. I started the month with I think 500. I cannot remember. Anyways, I was down to 200 I was down to 2 or 300 that day, and then I just wired some money in. Pretty much, well, it was $700 Canadian, but it's pretty much 500 USDs. So I was that day I was up $828 in my trading account. And then made some money, and then pretty big right there right here. So we'll go over the 20th, the 25th. Come on, and yeah, and the 5th also. So the three big red days, and the 14, 15, and yo, okay, let's go over the 21. Let's go. Let me just. Mm, Actually, I don't want to go over full days. I mean, I know that the 25th, I believe, or yeah, there's one day where I did like 50 trades. Let me just go over my biggest and my biggest winners and my biggest losers. P&L. All right. So 306. So this one, it's a gap and grab, but it did get back over pre-market high and consolidated in this area over it. So that's a pretty big red flag. I don't want it to stay a long time over pre-market high if I'm short, but if I'm long, I want it to consolidate as long as possible before we not as long as possible, but I want it to consolidate and stay over pre-market high. So I went short, I went long, and then at 7.2 or 3, 7.2, I got short pretty much right here, and I wrote it all the way to 5 something, yeah. And then Here is a $40 win, which was not a really good trade. I just wanted to get out and then get in if there's still a lot of potential on the downside. I mean, there's still a lot of room for the stock to go down. That's what I told myself at that time. Then 268. This out? What? Oh, okay. So I pretty much just went long in this one. Okay, that's a trash trade. What the fuck? Come on. Okay, yeah, this one was very good actually. So when the stock left the channel, I should have entered in this green candle, risking off of pre-market high, but I choked and I ended up just entering in the next candle, which was not that bad, but this is perfect. This is my ideal entry. I got it. I got out for a very good exit in a very good flush. Then came back in, risking the pre-market high, so 4.5. I mean, I still left a lot of money on the table, but I mean, I don't mind it because gap and crabs are very tricky right now. So yeah, I just scalped it and then scalped it again, I guess you could say, because usually I just enter. I would have just entered it right in here and wrote it all the way back down. So from 8 a.m. all the way till maybe 1 or 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. Which this is what I used to do when I've been consistently winning with gap and crabs, which I am not right now. Definitely not. CNET. Okay, let me. Yeah. Okay, this one. I mean, I mainly traded gap and crabs this month. Alright, that's cool. Okay, this one was a very good ticker for me. I don't think yeah, I lost like $5 just okay. So morning spike, I took a good piece of the pie, and then in here for a bounce, a little, a very small piece of the pie. And then when we had the crack at 15 cents, I got in for a very good average, but then I mean, I was scared. I was like, oh, what if we go back under 15 cents? Because you can see the little red candle. Yeah, I mean, that was that was not great of my part. I should have just stuck to my risk. Anyways, I got in for like 16 cents average. I got out for a very good exit, but on the backside. So that means I have a very. I mean, you have to know that I had very little size, so that's why I'm able to get out on the backside. But if I had big boy size, I don't I don't think I would. So I got in here, risking off of 16 cents. It looked pretty weak, so I just got out before we get to 16 cents, and then I got back in at 15 cents and rode it all the way to 18 cents. So yeah, that was decent. I like playing panic dip by scale. Okay, now let's go to the big red days. Big red. IKEA. So the biggest loss I had on this one, Yeah, there's a lot going on. So yeah, it was. I had this entry at like 8.2, I believe. And when I saw that it started, having a big, washout, I just went upstairs and got my breakfast. But I still had Trade Zero's mobile platform on my phone. So I was still monitoring the stock, even though I was away from my computer. But then when I came back with my breakfast, I saw the stock at $9. I was like, what the fuck? Why is my phone was showing like 7.7, 7.8, and I told myself if it goes over $8, I'm just cutting. I mean, for it to go to crash all the way to 7.2 and then come back, yeah, I don't want to short this one. So yeah, that's I lost a lot more than I should have. Next, Momo, qu'est-ce que c'est ça? 202. Attends, mais j'ai pas mes entrées. Okay, so I shorted, and then I got, yeah, I pretty much shorted, and then in here I don't believe yeah, I took a little bit of profits off of the trade, but yeah, then I got in once again. I added more. Yeah, I was stubborn. I should have let it, you know, get back to. Uh, I mean, I should have waited to get a tighter risk to reward instead of just fighting with the stock. Hmm. Right. BBIG. Yeah, I did a lot of trade on this one. I don't even know, so I'm just going to skip it. But it was a long. Oh yeah, it was also ABML. That's the same as AMTX. I was short in here. I mean, yeah, I had a lot of entries, a lot of exit. In here, I added a lot of shares, but then when it bounced, I failed to cover. I was greedy, I guess. Yeah, I was pretty greedy actually. You can see in here, I shorted the bottom, then covered the top, and then shorted almost the bottom again. Anyways, I shorted in here, risking off of this level. I mean, I entered and then I changed my risk to this one, this lower high. But then so both of this one, I mean this one and AMTX, their crack happened at the same time. So I told myself, I go up, get my breakfast and shit. So yeah, both of them. I mean, this one was break even, but the other one was a loss. That's why I ended up. I mean, I was already down 200, and then with this one and the other one, I was down another 200. That's why I was down 4 or 500. Okay, so let's go to my. So this is what I'm going to be focusing on for the next month. I was pretty much in here. I mean, mainly listed shorts, but when I saw that it has it had uh, low chance of working, I would just go to long, go to the long side. And yeah, I lost a lot of money in here. I mean, both of them. I'm going to cut them out and just focus on these. I know that my track record on OTC shorts is not that good right now, but I just tried to short first per day on ABML, the one I just showed you. ABML, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I still need a lot more data to have a concrete stats. I mean, this one too. I mean, I don't have a lot of trade on this one on OTC longs, but yeah, I mean, the buying panic is pretty fun. You can see in here, Nasdaq long profits, Nasdaq long loss. So I lost a lot of money on, yeah. I just I just need to cut them out. So my plan for the next month is to I'm going to be reopening my Quest Trade account because TradeZero is very trash for what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to trade penny stocks, and for me to break even with TradeZero, I need to make 1 cent a share. And I mean, if I trade dollar stock or higher, it's very easy to break even, and that's not a problem. But if if I want to trade that stock that is 10 cents or 25 cents, I'm going to be eaten by the commission. I mean, 1 cent on a 25 cent stock is come on. Lol, I just had the biggest brain fart ever. So yeah, 1 cent move on a 25 cent stock is 4%. Wow, I just woke up, yo, bro. Damn. Yes. What next? What now? This is my. I have never traded that much in 1 month. 170 trades is a lot. You can see 27. I mean, 73% of my trades were Nasdaqs. So I'm not even at 50. For overall, I'm at 43%. Damn. This is a 1. Yeah. My rating is 1, definitely. Alright, so there's nothing more for me to add, I believe. So I'm just going to cut it here. But yeah, next month OTCs. I have a posted on my screen which says OTCs only. So I definitely need to stick to it. I don't have anyone to help me say, come on, Jeff. How can I say it? I don't have any accountability partners, so I gotta just stick to what I'm saying right now and just be stubborn. Even if though there's a lot of opportunities on Nasdaqs, I need to cut it out at least for 1 month. All right, that's it.